Hey guys, I'm back with another transformation. In today's video, I'm going to be attempting to transform into Bianca Censori. For those who follow me frequently on YouTube, I've taken a small break, but hopefully I'm back for good. And yeah, I'm excited to start this transformation. Let's jump right in.
Alright, so I started this transformation with the lips because why not switch things up? I shaped and defined them first to really set the tone for the look. For Bianca's signature pout, I slightly overlined my lips, focusing on structure while keeping the shape soft and natural. Next, I moved on to the nose. Bianca's is narrower and more pointed than mine, so I needed to reshape mine using contour. I started by elongating the nostrils, which instantly made the nose look more defined. Then I contoured along the sides, blending the shading up into my eyebrows to keep everything looking natural and seamless. A little extra shading around the nasolabial folds, since hers are positioned higher, really helped add to the illusion. Before jumping into the eyes, I had to take care of my brows. Since Bianca's brows are much softer and straighter than mine, I completely covered my natural ones and created a new shape that suited her features. This part is always a bit tricky, but once the base was set, I carefully filled them in to get that structured yet effortless look. Now, quick confession, I totally forgot to hit record while doing my eyeshadow. Yep, classic move. I focused on creating soft, smoky eye. Her eyes are rounder than mine, so I needed to make the emphasis on the eyelid height, and I blended everything out for that sultry, slightly mysterious vibe she always has. With the eyes done, it was time to sculpt the rest of my face. I carved out my cheekbones to add more dimension and defined my jawline to make it look sharper and more structured. Blending was key here. I wanted everything to look seamless but still maintain that strong chiseled effect. To bring the whole look together, I added some well-placed highlights to enhance the contours I created earlier. A touch of blush helped bring back some warmth to my face, keeping everything balanced. Then I went back in and redefined my lips since they got a little blended out during the process. Finally, a few coats of mascara to open up the eyes and add that final touch of drama. And that's it, the transformation is complete.
And there you have it. This is my Bianca Censori makeup transformation. I hope you liked it. I think I did a fair job, and I feel like it was one of the easiest jobs I've ever done. Like, no lenses, no wigs, and yeah, her jaw is very small compared to mine. So yeah, that's why it looks a little bit weird, but with the black background, it looks fine, I think. Yeah, I sometimes get comments regarding why I don't blend this, and that's why, because I want the contrast to look on my jaw that makes it look much smaller than it actually is. Let me know in the comments below, what do you think about this transformation? Did I do well? Should I have done something different? And who would you like to see next? I'll see you in the next one.